My parents used to tell me that friends were hard to come by, that most people went through life largely alone. My parents used to tell me that every day was a new adventure. My parents were wrong about a great many things. My parents used to tell me that ghosts didn't exist. That physical manifestation of what we leave behind. My parents were wrong about a great many things. My parents used to tell me that independence was the ideal. But they always relied on each other.
Was it you? Why crackers?
Light, delicious. Doesn't matter what it was.
I'm just worried that when I get out of here, life won't be all crackers.
No, but it's all cracked up anyway, ain't it?
My parents used to tell me not to trust anyone, that others were a weakness. My parents were wrong about a great many things.